Hello and welcome back to another Python 3.7 tutorial. My name's Tom with MasterCode Online. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at the difference update method. When we call the difference update method on a set in Python, we're comparing two sets together. The first set, which we call the method on, and then the second set that we pass as an argument to the method. We are going to compare those two. Now, if the first set has different objects than the second set, we're going to go ahead and update that first set with the objects that are only different from the second set. All right. So for us to better understand what I'm talking about here, let's go ahead and just write some code and take a look at exactly how this all works. So we'll create two sets. A is going to represent the first set, and we'll do 1, 2, and 3. All right. And we'll create a second set. B is equal to let's do 3, 4, and 5. All right. So let's take a look at this before we even call the method and see what the difference is. All right. So we got 3 is different. 3 is a duplicate, I should say. 3 is a duplicate in both sets. 1's different. It's not in B. 2 is different. It's not in B. And 4 and 5 are not in A. So we can kind of just chalk them off. They're going to go with B. They're not even going to have anything to do with A. All right. 3 is a duplicate, so that's going to get chalked off and go with 4 and 5. So basically, that's all. The only thing we're left with is 1 and 2 in the first set. So A is going to be updated to 1 and 2. It's going to have a set that just contains 1 and 2. So let's go ahead and call this method and take a look at it. A.difference underscore update. And then we pass B as the argument, hit return, call A. There we go. We got 1 and 2. All right. So just to refresh how this works, if they're just duplicates, they are removed from the first set. If any of the numbers in the second set or any of the objects, I should say, in the second set do not exist in the first set, they're also chucked out the window. We don't even care about them. And then the first set is updated with the objects that are different from the objects in B. All right, so there you go. Let's take a look at another example. Let's do C is equal to a set. We'll do 3, 2, 1. All right, and we'll go ahead and call A.difference underscore update and pass C as the argument. Call A, and we get an empty set because 3, 2, and 1 are also in 1, 2, and 3 or set A. So that means they're all removed, and A is just updated to an empty set. Just like some other methods in when we're working with sets, we got operators too we can use. So in this case, we can use the subtraction equals operator to perform the same actions as the difference underscore update method. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Let's clear my screen, and we're going to do A is equal to 1, 2, and 3, and we'll do B is equal to 3, 4, and 5, and there we go. We got our two sets. Now if we do A minus equals B and then call A, we got 1 and 2. All right, notice that's the same as doing the difference underscore update method. All right, so let's go ahead and throw C in there as well just to reinforce this. 3, 2, and 1. And if we do A minus equals C, call A, we got an empty set just like we did before. So if you guys have any questions about the difference update method or the difference update operator in Python, please let me know. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next tutorial.